Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I got this from Abella Eyewear, a sunglass company, and I have chosen to do a review for them. And this review is, again, an unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and use my knife and talk about Abella a little bit. So I signed up on Instagram to, be like a brand ambassador for Abella, and I thought their sunglasses were pretty cool. If you go on their website, they've got some good deals and some good discounts, and I went ahead and got 3 pairs of glasses from them. I don't remember the date that I ordered them, but I will put it down in the comments. And they took about a good 7 probably days to get here. I'll put the exact dates and how long it took to get here in the comments down below. I also thought I ordered 3, but there's 4 in here. Would you look at that? Surprise me. It comes packaged really nicely. Look, they're all in their little individual cases. This is exciting. So I will be honest, I watched a couple of reviews before this one, and I saw something about cheap packaging, dollar store packaging. I think not. I don't think I can get this from the dollar store. Okay, and then there's another case. Nice case. Oh, nice. All right, let's see here. Here is the test. Oh, another piece of plastic. Well, we know they come well packaged, okay? We know that. Feels pretty sturdy. Let's see here. The plastic is cute. And yes, these are ones that I did want. Pretty cute. I'll go ahead and put them on. Cool. I like them. What do you guys think? Do a little like YouTube pose? No, I don't know how to do that kind of stuff. Okay, anyway, I like these. All right, so that is 1 out of 4. This one is going to get a thumbs up from me. You guys can let me know what you think down in the comments. All right, next box. Let's go ahead and open this.
I'm trying to move quick for you guys. I didn't even know there was 4 pair in here. I'm over here surprised. I'm gonna have to check my order. It's a pleasant surprise. Okay, instead of this, it came
in this. Super cute. Really cute. And they both have the little Abella up in the corner. This one has it up there if you can see it. All right, these are really cool. Oh yeah, these are going to be cool in the summertime. I really like these because I wear glasses even when it's not summer. So but these I'll save for summer. I like them. You guys can tell me what you think. They kind of match my lipstick. It's Kylie Jenner, by the way. Cool. Let me see how they look. Okay, not bad. Not really my style, but I'd wear them. Don't think I won't. I'll find a little cute outfit, figure it on out. Okay, tell me what you guys think. These are called Leopard Gold. last but not least, these should be the red ones. Yes, they're called clear red. Oh, you know how we say things twice now. So I guess these are red. Okay. Last pair. Ooh. Now these are one of the reasons I got it. I keep seeing everyone with these like cool futuristic glasses, and I just wanted a pair, and I thought that these were really cool. Now let's see if I really like them. I don't know. I feel like a school teacher, but a cool school teacher, don't get me wrong. And I'm looking at myself and I can't really tell how I look because it's so red. Everything's red. Oh yeah. Now I can actually see how they look. I like them. Yep, I like them. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you liked, let's see, what are we gonna call them? These were the Actons, okay? These were the curlies, okay? Then we had the leopards, and then we had the red, okay? Tell me which one you guys like best while I get you the information on these glasses. Okay, so I had to go look at my emails just to know exactly what I ordered because I was surprised by that fourth pair. I think originally there were 3 that I wanted, and what I had decided to do was get the ambassador kit, and the ambassador kit does come with 4, and it retails at $220, and they're retail at $55 a piece. But sign up for their emails. That's not what I paid. I believe I had a big huge like 60% off discount, so sign up for their emails, go on the website. Again, $220 for all 4 pair, $55 a piece, but again, sign up for their emails. Also, I'll put a discount code below that I have as well, so that, you know, in case you guys wanted to buy them, you can get some. I think it's 30% off. I'm not sure, but I'll put it in there. I'm sorry I wasn't more prepared for you guys. They came, I wanted to hurry and film. I just got off work. I can't remember anything. Okay, I have a full-time job. I have 6 children. I'm starting my own business. It's crazy around here, okay? So at least I stepped away and remembered to write down when I ordered them and when I got them. So I ordered them on October 23rd, and I received them on October 30th, which was a Monday. So we had to take the weekend into consideration. Not that bad. I wasn't too worried about it. They came nice. They came sturdy. Good packaging. The glasses feel nice. You can let me know if you have any questions. I like them. I can't wait to wear them again. I'm in California. I do wear glasses all year. I'm gonna wear those red ones during the winter. I don't care. And I'll probably wait to wear the pink ones, you know, when it is summertime. But I like them all. I'll probably take pictures, put some on my Instagram or something. My Instagram will be linked below if you want to see. Again, ask me any questions, and as I promised, I will continue to make videos for you guys anytime I feel like there's something interesting out there. I feel like people wanted to know about this because a lot of the videos that I saw were titled like scam or scam question mark. I know that's clickbait. I know that people put that kind of stuff to get people to watch, but apparently there's no scam here. Nice glasses, nice packaging. Came in about a week's time. I don't have anything bad to say, you know. I got a huge discount, so will you. Sign up for the emails and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.